Hello everyone, I'm back with another video. I just wanted to do a end of the year recap for 2019. Today is the day before Christmas Eve. It is Monday the 23rd of December and we are nearing the end of the year. I just wanted to do a recap of where we have been this year. So it's been a very busy 2019. We've had a lot of random projects, mostly been focused on my lawn. This is kind of an ugly section, but I've mentioned that in previous videos. We've done this fence behind me here. We stained it and pressure washed it. The lawn was a big focus of 2019, and it's going to be a big focus for 2020 as soon as the ground thaws. But just look at this color. It is way better than even the neighbors down the street. You know, not to brag or anything, but I think it looks pretty good for December 23rd. I think we're gonna have a green Christmas, but we certainly had record snowfalls on Halloween, so it's crazy how that happens sometimes, but that's just the way it is with weather in Wisconsin. Looking forward to 2019, we're gonna have some more outside projects. I'm thinking about redoing this front area right here, the garden. We're probably gonna be putting in some new stuff there and some rock and taking the mulch out, making it look a lot better. So we'll see. Wife wants to do some stuff with that. You saw me do these shutters behind me here this year as well. There's a lot of stuff that we did in the garage. I'm going to be doing a lot more cleaning videos and stuff throughout the winter time in my garage and auto detailing just to pass the time. So look forward to that coming up. I also wanted to give a shout out to a few people on YouTube. I've made a lot of good friends in the community over this past year. So Jason G, Kenny Cooper, The Lawn Tools, you guys are all great. Striper Man, there's plenty more that I could mention. I can go on and on, but thank you for commenting on all my videos and being there. You guys mean the world to me. So, you know, I appreciate all my subscribers, and I'm gonna try to continue putting out some good quality content throughout the year. And into 2020, I've got a lot of stuff planned, and you know, don't worry, it's gonna be variable a lot. It's not just lawn focus, but all sorts of DIY stuff. After all, that's my channel name. So, you know, I'm looking forward to 2020. It's been a great year. Just getting my channel started this year, it's been quite a fun ride. I'm still learning a lot of the video editing stuff, so I know I'm a bit of a noob with that, but bear with me. So anyway, guys, Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays to everyone. Happy New Year, and we'll see you in 2020. Until next time, guys, thank you. Have a great one.